Hi there, my name is Finn Hegarty and I'm the Chief Product Officer here at Glofox. Today I'm excited to talk about Glofox Insights. It's our new reporting tool powered by Looker, which is a business intelligence platform owned by Google. This is a new add-on for multi-location owners and franchise partners. It helps you get a holistic view of performance across your locations in one place. Ultimately, we're giving you the data and the insights to help you better understand your business better than ever. There are 4 areas we group your metrics by. We've got your member activity, your sales and revenue, acquisition and leads, and retention and utilization. Let me show you how it works. So this is your Insights dashboard. At the top, you can see you've got your date range, where you can select a particular time period you want to do your analysis on. You've got your locations if you want to look at a subset of your particular network as well. Here we've got the member activity section, where we've got metrics or KPIs like your member net changes. See the month on month or week on week net changes, whether you're up or down across location A, B, or C. We've got an aggregated view then of your member trends and see that it is trending over that particular period. We've got your classes held or your attendances to see that over time as well. Here we've got sales and revenue activity. See overall the aggregated view of revenue and ultimately what makes up that revenue. You've got whether it be class packs or membership dues or subscriptions, store and see your average spend per member as well. We've got a visualization here of a pie chart to see the breakdown as well. And ultimately everything here is clickable or drill downable so you can see what makes up that revenue in that particular period. Within acquisition and leads, you can see the leads by source, see which channels are converting best as well. Ultimately, we've got your leads created, your trials, and where those conversions are coming from. And you can see then of prior periods of how those metrics are performing as well. So here's your retention section. So we've got your top 10 bookers or your attendees based on their activity as well, your average membership duration. And we're going to be adding a lot more metrics in the coming weeks, like your attrition or your churn numbers, which is obviously a very important metric to any fitness business. Overall, with Glofox Insights, you'll have more confidence that you're spending your time on the highest impact areas for your business. If you're interested in hearing more, reach out to analytics@glofox.com. Thank you.